All right, in our final example, we're going to take a different approach to overriding content. Instead of modifying the render array, what we're going to do is take over the page callback function altogether and replace one page that already exists with another page that we've defined. Okay, go ahead and jump to your module directory, and in your steps folder, go ahead and open up the 10th step, which is called hook menu alter. Go ahead and copy this code and paste it over the code that's currently in your pages.module file. In this file, we've added a single function here at the end called pages menu alter. And just like our previous example, this is an implementation of a hook. This hook is called hook menu alter. And the idea of hook menu alter is that anything that's defined in hook menu then goes through another cycle through modules where they can then alter the items that are registered through that hook. The items array that's being passed as a parameter to this hook is being passed by reference, so any changes that we make to it will change in the parent function as well. And this contains all of the items that have been registered through hook menu by all of the modules in the Drupal installation. And so at this point, we can alter any of them. Let's go ahead and set a breakpoint here and watch what happens when we hit this point and see what's actually inside of our items array. I'm going to go ahead and go to our page, and I'm going to clear our caches. And then after that happens, we'll get to the point where the menu system is being rebuilt and pages menu alter is being run. And so we have our breakpoint stopping right here. And we can go ahead and take a look at our items array here. Now this is a huge array. These are all of the pages that have been defined in Drupal, and even in just plain core Drupal there are a lot. Let's go ahead and expand one of these items and take a look at the parameters. This should look pretty familiar to you from our hook menu function. We're defining a title, description, page callback, and a few other parameters as well. And the same structure exists for all of the items that exist in this items array. If we know the path of the page that we want to modify, it's very simple to go ahead and override some of the parameters. So what we're going to do is take the admin/content page, which is where we would normally view the nodes that exist on our Drupal install, and we're going to change the title to the goods, and we're going to change the page callback to pages render array. So this is the callback that we've defined for several of our previous examples. So what we're doing is a little evil here. We're overriding an existing admin page with our own page. And it's not terribly useful, but we could, for example, override this with a more useful admin content page. Let's go ahead and stop the debugging process. And what we need to do is go back to our browser. And at this point, our process is run and our menu alter has been run as well. In our menu system, wherever we would normally see the title for admin/content, for example, in admin menu, it's right here. Instead of showing the title content, it shows the goods. And if we clicked on this to visit that page, what we would see, instead of a list of nodes like we would normally see on this page, we're seeing the content returned from the page callback function that we defined in earlier examples, but since we've overridden this page with our page callback function, we're getting back our content.